2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. Not very hard at all, really. It's more about the right hand. We got 4 chords only. We got D minor, first finger E, second finger G, third finger B. To A minor, first finger B, second finger D, third finger G. And from A minor, we just move the third finger to the A string, third fret. Keep the other 2 guys. And then finally we got a G major. Second finger, third finger, and pinky. So the switching is like this, and then let's talk about the right hand. 3 D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 3, 4. C major, 4. Major, 3, 4. D minor, 3, 4. A minor. This is the whole song. It just some breaks, and but this is pretty much it. 3, 4. And let's talk about the groove. So that without stopping, so we keep the hand going like this. And then later on in the song, after the second chorus, it's gonna do this. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Let's do another chorus, come on. Last time. Watermelon Sugar. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be well, be safe.